Stop. Don't blink, because this is the moment a whole army gets wrecked by silence. Elijah is just walking around and King Ahab is already mad at him. Then Elijah tells a widow, "Your jar won't run out." And it's not some cozy promise. Her last meal is gone, and her son is suddenly gone too, like the life just got switched off. She carries him, crying, to Elijah and drops him on the bed. Elijah stretches himself out over the boy, prays, and you can almost feel time holding its breath. Then the boy sneezes. Not just wakes up, it says life comes back, skin warm, breath returning. And the widow looks at Elijah like, how is this even happening? If God can bring a dead boy back, what part of your life are you treating like it's final?